Hello mga ka-amiga, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to eat here in McDonald's. So I'm here at McDonald's waiting for my order. So my order is this, a number 4. Order number 4. Shake, ayan, may mga ano nila, mga product nila, mga kaya-amiga. Makikita nyo dyan, Kaso talagang iba pa rin na McDonald's sa Pilipinas, lalo na yung mga burger natin and fries natin, so different yung taste talaga. Iba pa rin talaga. So, ayan. I'm waiting for my order. Doon, nakikita yung number. So, just wait. Oh, so my number is 252. So, not yet. Okay, not yet. Today is holiday here in Hong Kong. Kaya marami pong mga tao. Okay? Marami pong mga tao sa place today. So, ayan yung isa ba ang mga meals nila. Ayan. Okay. So, Korean chicken nuggets. Here is new Korean chicken nuggets jumbo. So, ayan. For $66. Ayan po yung mga price dito. Ito, cheesy pizza time. For $38. $38 po siya, mga ka-amiga, no? You can try. So, ibang-iba po sa Pilipinas. Okay? Ibang-iba sa Pilipinas. So, ayan, meron din po silang mga meals, yung mga value meals. Meron din po silang mga packages na meals, may mga Pikachu. Ayan. Ano, may mga barkadahan. Pwede yan po, no? So, not yet. My number. So, not yet. So, there you can find the number in the screen. So, you can look at the screen. 252. Oh, this mine. Okay, so, let's go. Punta na po tayo sa counter. There is my number, 252. So, let's find out here, the 252. Here, 252. Okay, this is mine. Let's go. So, let's go find our seats. Maybe let's change the set here. Okay. So, maybe here. Here is our seat now. Okay, so let's change the seat from here. Okay, so let's start our meal. A little bit more here. So, ayan na mga ka-amiga. So, today, I ordered this meal. Okay, here's with me in the So let's put the butter. I want more butter. Let's put more butter here. Okay. And then put the syrup. Hirap na. So put the syrup here like that. It's up to you. Up to you. Okay. So here butter. So start eating now. Unang subo para sa'yo, Roncelius. I love you, baby. Ito para kay Kuya James. Pangalawang subo. Kuya James, this for you. Pwede ko lang ipadala sa inyo to, no? Okay. So yung pancake nila, very fluffy. It's fluffy. And it's very delicious. Okay? Same as pancake in our pancake in the Philippines. Fairness. So this is $36. Okay? $36. So you have the hash brown, you have the pancakes, you have the burger, slice of the burger, and have the tea milk. This one meron siyang egg in the burger, and also the pancake. For how much is this, friendship?
It's $40.
So that is $40, mga ka-amiga. This is $40 with $36. Very deep, very near, okay? Very near the price. So if you have that is much better, right? Because $40, no? This is $36, no? But they have the burger, may egg pa siya. So, much better that pero hindi ko yun mauubos, no? Today, I don't like to eat the egg because the allergy. So, but that is much better if you want to order because that is $40 and $36. So, it's very near. The price is reasonable, right? So, meron din same na drink. So, 36 to 40. So, doon ka na sa $40, no? Much better to order the $40. Okay? So, ayan. Kainin na natin. No? So, wala pa pala siyang sugar. So, we need to add, I think this is the sugar. Yeah, this is the liquid sugar. So, we don't have the sugar yet. So, we put some sugar. Ang sugar nila dito, mga ka-amiga, is syrup type of the sugar. So, let's put in the sugar and mix. So, let's taste. Okay. Oh, yeah. Good. So, tama lang, no? Just enough the sweetness. Okay, kainin natin. Pag ang hash brown malamig na, hindi ko na gusto. Ang french fries dito, mga ka-amiga, no, pag nag-order ka sa McDonald's, you need to ask the salt because walang salt talaga. So, very pure lang siya na fries lang talaga. Kaya, mas okay yung hash brown. Yung hash brown may lasa na siya, no? Have the taste already. Dito nga pala sa McDonald's guys, no? If you are new here in Hong Kong, the McDonald's here, you have the rice, okay? You have the rice, I'm telling you guys, no? If you want to eat the afternoon lunch, no? They don't have rice here, and like the Jollibee have the rice, KFC have the rice, but here in McDonald's they don't have the rice even afternoon. So they have here the corn, okay, the corn and only the burger, different kinds of burger. They have fish burger, they also have the chicken burger, and they also have the beef burger. So different kinds of burger they have, but the rice they don't have the rice. If you want to eat the lunch, I don't know if you want the rice, telling you guys, don't have rice here. So most of the time the Filipino always asking for the rice, but they're not eating here in McDonald's because don't have rice. Pero ako guys, ako mga kaibigan, nabubuhay ako ng walang rice, even only burger I eat. So ang kaibigan nyo, sanay na ng walang rice, no? Tayong mga Pilipino, no? Talagang ma-rice, no? Ma-rice talaga. Pero wala na ang mga kaibigan nyo, talagang stay healthy na. So only the rice. Bubuhay na tayo ng noodles, di ba? Yan. Hindi na tayo malakas kumain ng mga kaamiga. So, maybe ang sunod na nito is for dinner na. Maybe this is my brunch, breakfast and lunch. So, I finish all the butter because I really like butter. And the syrup, of course. Syrup. And a hash brown. Hello, Indonesia. Oh, we have also friends in Indonesia. I have many friends Indonesian people. You know, here in Indonesia they are very rich. Yeah, I have many Indonesian friends. They are very rich in Indonesia. You know. Yung mga kaamiga, ang Indonesia and the Filipino, same color, you know, they always are confusing if you are Indonesia or a Filipino. So sometimes, are you Filipino? No, I'm Indonesian. Oh yeah, because same color, same face sometimes, right? And that's why, of course, Asian people, you know, so same work, why not, right? Yeah. So, we're all working here in Hong Kong, mga ka-amiga, no? So, I also, lots of Indonesian friendship, they are also good, okay? Sometimes, Filipino and Indonesian mix together, one employer, no? They're also friends, no? Because sometimes here in Hong Kong, sometimes they're hard to domestic helper, no? Sometimes Indonesia and then have also the Filipino. So that's all friendship, right? Doesn't matter, guys. No? As long as you know how to how to communicate, no? But you know, Indonesian people can really speak Cantonese. But a Filipino, only shushu. Only shushu. Guys, ang hirap din ubusin, ano? Yung taste ng burger nila is, tastes like there's a ginger na mga kaamiga, which is the Filipino a little bit, you know, I think hindi magugustuhan, ano? Masyado ng mga Pilipino talaga yung taste ng burger dito sa McDo. Kasi, ano siya guys, you know? So, may taste siya ng ginger. So, sa Pilipinas, walang taste ng ginger, no? This burger tastes, there's a ginger. So, I don't know. But if you work here in Hong Kong, guys, no, masasanay ka na rin sa taste ng burger nila. So, iwan ko lang pero ano, yung mga Pilipino talaga hindi masyadong magugustuhan yung burger. Kaya ang in-order ko lang dito guys talaga yung chicken burger nila. Yun lang ang gusto ko. But the burger, somehow, how many points I will give? Okay? So, sayang. So, huwag tayo magkasang ng pagkain mga kaaniga. So, kainin natin to kasi hindi pa available yung chicken burger na gusto ko. So, no choice, diba? Pwede na yan. Hindi ko talaga masyadong gusto yung burger. Yun lang. So, thumbs up. But the pancake is good. The cream milk is good. And hash brown also good. Okay? Oh. This is last one. Last one na to. Last call, mga kaamiga. Okay? Happy holiday here in Hong Kong. This is the last. Last pancake. Lalay. Hi guys! We're here my neighbor si Mama lang maganda.
Si
Tingnan nyo,
si Hot Mama lang.
Yes.
Doon dyan sa Patling?
Oo,
sa building ko.
Patling.
Doon din ako dati.
Ay, pinang to.
Doon din ako dati.
Patling din.
Bakit mo nilagyan
Ayan.
ketchup eh?
Ayan ang mga meal ng McDonald's.
Ano kinuha mo to?
Ibang meal. So, they have a chicken burger.
Yes.
Ayan, itong paborito ko. Kanina kasi wala pa ito.
See this
Yeah,
one?
chicken burger. At ano nga yung drinks na nila yan?
Lemon.
Lemon
and,
tea.
pineapple.
Lemon pineapple. Bago nila yan, ano? Yan, bago
Oo,
nila.
pero
For how
nice.
many dollars? This one is $54. Mga kaamiga. $54, one set. One set yung two sets na.
One set.
One set. So, $54, ano?
32. Bali 32 lang yan. 64 pinayaran natin eh. 32 lang.
Ano to?
64 na to.
Dalawa na.
Oo,
So,
dalawa na.
ito mga kaamiga, no, $64, oh. So, two sets na. May fries, burger,
Ha?
at saka may, ano siya,
May vlog yan. Di pa ka na.
mamaya.
Wala kami doon.
Oo, diba? Ang tagal na namin hindi nakikita mga kaamiga. Tingnan nyo ang mamala, naging hot na talaga naman. Tingnan mo ilang taon na nga to?
48.
48 versus 39. In fairness, oh. Hiyang-hiya naman tayo dito mga kaamiga.
Kain ka.
Hiyang-hiya.
French fries.
Tapos na hiyang-hiya naman ako dito sa hot mamala na to.
Kain ba?
Pag nakita mo sa bahay nito, talagang palun-palun.
Naman.
Talagang ano, tingnan mo naman ang amiga natin, talagang pang-amiga talaga yung mga niya.
Social na siya. Social.
Sosyal.
Walang,
Yan.
social na walang pera.
Kaya guys, no, minsan nakikita tayo ng mga sa Pilipinas natin, parang social dito, pero hindi nila alam Yung trabaho natin dito.
At saka,
Monday to Saturday. Ayan,
masasabi nila, ang saya-saya. Hindi lang nila alam. Ay,
Maiyak pa ang kaamigan natin. Maganda siya ngayon, huwag natin paiyakin. Marami pong ganyan, di ba? Maraming ganyan.
Sadyang ganyan kami, pag
Oo,
pag-off
wala na.
namin,
Sila na magsasalita para sa
pag-off
inyo.
namin, kailangan talaga namin baguhin yung aming aura.
Correct. Yan si Mama lang.
Kain.
Kain kayo. Yung price nga lang talaga nila dito, mag-a-ask kayo mga kaamiga ng salt kasi wala talagang salt yung price nila dito. So, ayan yung price nila, parang McDonald's din natin, pero iba talaga yung price ng McDonald's talaga sa Ayan, tanungin natin sila. Anong masasabi niyo sa price ito sa price sa Pilipinas?
Masarap sa Pinas.
Talaga masarap ang Pinas. Pasensya talaga. Parang masarap ang Pinas. Pasensya na po mga kaamigang Hong Kong. Pero talagang iba talaga eh.
Kahit sa Saudi.
Kahit, tapos yung burger nila dito, pero madalas Pilipino, at chicken burger talaga kinukuha kasi hindi niya talaga magugustuhan. Masyado kasi yung lasa ng ginger talaga andoon. Ibang-iba sa ating mga burger, mga kaamiga. So, okay, so that's all for today, mga kaamiga. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please like and share my video. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell so you are always updated on my latest video, mga kaamiga. So, bye!